Hey Warhawks, it's Mr. Erlinson. It's Sunday night. You know what that means. It's Monday tomorrow, and it's an assembly day. So let's talk about what it means to be The main thing to remember about assemblies is that there is one person or group of people on the stage performing at a time. That means in the audience, you are not performing. We don't really need to hear your voice unless you're cheering at an appropriate time. We don't need to see your hands moving unless they're clapping at an appropriate time. We don't need to hear loud laughter unless you're laughing at something appropriate on the stage at the appropriate time. So a couple key reminders before we go, because it's late and I need to go to bed. Number one, stay with your homeroom teacher all the way down to the auditorium. You have assigned seats and you have to sit in them. Number two, pay attention to what's going up on the stage. It's a huge stage, and that's what it's there for, so you can see it. There's no mistaking about what you should be focused on and what you should not be focused on. Watch what's happening on the stage. Clap when it's time to clap. Laugh when it's time to laugh. Cheer when it's time to cheer. The rest of the time, just be quiet and enjoy the show. Thank you. At this assembly, we're going to celebrate our Students of the Month. We're going to hear from some student performers. I'm going to share some words with you about working hard and being kind. Come and enjoy it. It's a great time for us all to be together and celebrate all the awesome things that we can do together as Warhawks. And by following these simple expectations, we can enjoy that together. Thank you. Have a great day. Good night.